Well, I'm
looking at a business aircraft.
right.
1960s. A couple of these were sold in Canada. Used by they wanted to buy. So what's the one you do? Take care and also too, when you would run it, you really have to clean up
So are y'all gonna assemble it at some point, or
I assume so, yeah, I don't know exactly the future of it.
y'all gonna have to build
And
it?
you can see also on YouTube to fly it straight and that, and yeah. So once it became again, going back to the Second World War, the North American part of it, once you were able to master that aircraft, then you were able to fly the service aircraft, Spitfire, Mustang, the Mustangs. Behind the disappearance there, and that's, yeah, so Lockheed Jetstar, are you familiar with
Well,
I'm
I'm
looking at a business aircraft,
right.
1960s and that. And a couple of yeah, so what are you going to do? Take your, yeah, like it. And also too, when you would land a plane, you'd really have to clean off the plane properly, because everything was, covered in oil kind of thing, right? So, well actually, initially it was designed to replace the DE-2C, which was an observation reconnaissance aircraft, British. But we figured out, it's a really reliable aircraft, well armed, quite maneuverable, so let's use it as a fighter. And it was considered as the best two-seater fighter, but still a success in that it did fly very high. No, not very high, but yeah, basically kind of press on the pedals and so the wings was
So are y'all gonna assemble it at some point, or
I assume so. Yeah, I don't know exactly the future of it.
y'all gonna have to build
And
it?
you can see also on YouTube.
Such as this A4 Skyhawk here, and this T-33 Shooting Star. The A4 Skyhawk is one of my favorites. Douglas produced a great Navy. The Lockheed Starfighter was used primarily in export service with various foreign militaries. The U.S. used it. Here they have two A4 Skyhawks right next to each other. A Lockheed military transport aircraft, and right next to it is the civilian version, the L-18. I saw the F-86 Sabre when I pulled up. But they also, in addition to the F-86 Sabre there, along with its Korean War counterpart, MiG-15, F-86 Sabre, F-86 Sabre, F-86 Sabre next to a British Gloucester Meteor. First generation jet fighters from the UK. MiG-21R. The Yanks Air and Space Museum. This one appears to be in better shape, probably because it is indoors.